Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again to my video. Okay, so today we are going to look at a question, okay, on the couple moment topics. So if you missed the lecture video, so please check the link in the description down below. Okay, so let's look at this question. Okay, determine the moment of the couple acting on the member. So when we say couple, couple here means that same magnitude but opposite direction. That what makes it couple. Okay, so now we have 150 kilonewton pointing in this direction, and we have another 150 kilonewton pointing in this direction. So both is pointing in opposite direction but has a same magnitude. So means that it is a couple. Okay. So determine the moment. So the best thing about couple moment is that when we try to calculate couple moment, at any point the value should be same. So first let's try to calculate the moment at point A first. Let's try point A first. Okay. So first, before we calculate this moment here, we must make assumption. Okay. So what is our assumption? So let's assume counterclockwise to be positive. Okay. Every time I always assume counterclockwise positive. Okay. So moment at A. Okay. So moment at A here, because this 150 kilonewton is pointing towards point A here, so means that this 150 kilonewton will not create any moment. Okay, because no distance. Okay, moment is force times distance. So no distance, so no moment lah. Okay, next we have 150 kilonewton at point B. Point B we have. Okay, point B we have 100 because we have a distance here. Okay, so because this is 150 Newton pointing in this direction, means that we can resolve this 150 kilonewton into this one, Fx, okay, and also Fy. Okay. So when we resolve to x direction first, okay, let's do x direction first. So as you can see here, okay, when we resolve to x direction, okay, so point A is our rotation point. Okay, so here is the 90 degree point. Okay, 90 degree point. And as you can see, Fx is pointing in this direction. So means that it will create a, this one is what? Counterclockwise rotation. Okay, so it is a counterclockwise rotation. So Fx here will be positive. So 150 kilonewton resolved to x direction will be positive 150 kilonewton over 4 over 5. 4 over 5. Okay, this one 4, because 4 here is same. Okay, same direction with Fx is 4. So that's why 4 over 5. Okay, what about the distance? So distance here. The distance here will be, okay, the 90 degree point is here. Okay, so meaning the distance is from A to here, which is 1 meter. So this one will be 1 meter. Okay. Next we have Fy. Okay, Fy also will create moment. Okay, correct? Okay, so Fy here, if you look carefully, Fy okay, so the 90 degree is here. Okay, this one 90 degree is here, and Fy is pointing upwards. So if Fy is pointing upwards, means that it will rotate like this. Clear? So if it is rotating like this, it is also a counterclockwise rotation. So counterclockwise, our assumption also counter positive. So positive 150. Okay, So you need to resolve 150 Newton to y direction. Okay, so it is 3 over 5. So 3 over 5. And what about the distance? Okay, so the distance here will be from here to here. This one. Okay, from here to here is the distance. So the distance is 3. Okay, the distance is 3. Okay. So if we calculate this one, the answer is 390 kilonewton meter. Okay, so you got the same answer or not? Okay, try to calculate this by yourself. Okay, so 390 kilonewton meter. So this is moment at point A. So let's try to calculate moment at point D. We should get the same value, which is 390 kilonewton meter. Okay, so moment. So first, same, make an assumption. So moment at point D. Okay, so for point D here, okay, so let's start with this one. Okay, so this 150 kilonewton will create moment at D. This 150 kilonewton at A also will create moment at D because we have distance for both. Okay, so let's focus on 150 kilonewton at B first. Okay, so at B, so in X direction, this one Fx. So in X direction, so at D here it will be counterclockwise also, same. So it will be 154 over 5. Okay, and the distance is still same from here to here. Okay, 90 degrees here. 90 degrees here, so means that this is also 1 meter. Okay, so next for Fy. So Fy here, okay, this is the direction of force upwards. So it will create a counterclockwise moment also. So same with our assumption, counterclockwise positive. So this one is positive 153 over 5. So, and what about the distance? So distance here from D to the line of force. So means that 2 plus 3. Okay, so 2 plus 3. Okay, so this is for 150 kilonewton at B. What about this one? 150 kilonewton at A. Okay, let's check. Okay, so this one also we can resolve it to Y. Okay, Fy here. And also this one. Okay, we have Fx also. Okay, so let's start from X first. If you look carefully, Fx here is pointing towards point D. Can you see? Okay, pointing toward point D here. So means it will not create any moment. Okay, so this one will be 0. Yeah, plus 0 lah. Okay, plus 0. So no moment created by this Fx here, the green Fx. And then what about this Fy? Okay, Fy here we have distance. Okay, and Fy here is pointing downwards. So if it is pointing downwards, okay, if you look carefully, it will create a clockwise rotation. So clockwise rotation, our assumption is counterclockwise is positive. So this one will be negative 150. So Fy here is same like this one, 3 over 5. So 3 over 5. Okay, and what about the distance? The distance is from D until the line of force. Okay, this Fy here. So the distance is 2 meter. So this one will be 2 meter. Okay, so if you calculate this one, you will get the answer 390 kilonewton meter. Okay, easy okay, so again, if it is a couple moment, means that when we try to calculate moment at any point, we will get the same value of moment. That is the special things about moment, couple moment. Okay, so see you again in the next video. Bye bye.